Good morning, grade 1, and welcome back. We are still on Unit 6, Objects and Patterns in the Sky. Remember, whenever we say pattern, it is something that is being repeated, such as blue, red, blue, red, blue, red, boy, girl, boy, girl, boy, girl, homeschool, homeschool, homeschool. And we are on Lesson 1, How do Objects in the Sky Seem to Change, Part 3. Now remember, guys, whenever we say seem, it means how does it appear to change? Is it really changing or is there something else happening? Okay? For today, we're going to cover the following points. Lesson 1, How do Objects in the Sky Seem to Change? Explore, explain the nighttime sky, page 286 to 187. Are you ready? We open our books to page 286, the nighttime sky. Now, whenever we say the nighttime sky, we're going to study what are the objects that we see during the nighttime sky. And keep in mind that the last time we studied about the daytime sky. What are the objects that we see during the daytime? Excellent, the sun. What is the sun? The sun is a star closest to Earth. Again, the sun is a star closest to Earth. What is it made up of? It is made of hot gases. Excellent. It's made of hot gases. And because they are too hot, what will happen if we touch them? We'll get burned and we will never be able to touch them. Okay, that's why we could see in the last video the sun in the close-up photo as if it is a ball of flames. Okay, because it is made of hot gases. And what else? Excellent. And it gives off light and heat. Clear? And what is a star? A star is an object in the sky, right? So let's check out today what about the nighttime sky. We have two pictures. We have the first picture, we could see the moon from Earth and it looks like a big circle. And then a close-up shot for the moon and also it looks like a really big circle, right? Let's read together. Night always follows day. On many nights you can see the moon in the sky. The moon is a large ball of rock that circles Earth. The moon seems to shine, but the moon does not give off its own light. The moon reflects light from the sun. So, I'm going to reread it and I'm going to explain. The nighttime sky. Night always follows day. On many nights, you can see the moon in the sky. The moon is a large ball of rock that circles Earth. The moon seems to shine, but the moon does not give off its own light. The moon reflects light from the sun. So they are telling us that each day, every day, we'll have a night after the day. So we have nighttime, daytime, nighttime, daytime, nighttime, daytime. Why? Because as we said that the Earth keeps on turning all around, okay? And as it turns all around, the sun will hit one side of it, which will give this side of Earth the daytime, and then the other side will have nighttime, and then as it rotates, this part will have what? Daytime, and the other will have nighttime. Excellent. So each day, every day, we will have a day and a night, okay, as a result of Earth's rotation around itself. Clear so far? Great. Now, on many nights, they're telling us that we could see the moon in the sky. They're telling us what is the moon? The moon is a large ball of rock that circles Earth. Okay, so when we say circles, it means it rotates, it turns around Earth. Clear? Let's go again. The moon is a large ball of rock that circles Earth. Okay? What do we mean by circle? It means it moves around in a circle format around the Earth. Clear? Now, the moon seems to shine, but the moon does not give off its own light. The moon reflects light from the sun. So let's check out. Why can we see the moon from the Earth if the moon does not give off its own light? How is this possible? Well, the sun hits the moon, okay? So the sun hits the moon. What happens? Okay, when the sun shines light on the moon is like the mirror. It reflects the light to the Earth. That's why we could see the moon from Earth. Clear? So far, so good? So the moon reflects the light from the sun. That's why we could see it from Earth. The sun hits the moon reflects the light to Earth. That's why we could see the moon. Clear? Because the moon is like the mirror. So, let's underline. The moon is a large ball of rock that circles Earth. Again, the moon is a large ball of rock that circles Earth again and the moon. Is a large ball of rock that circles Earth faster than the moon. Is a large ball of rock that circles Earth one more time the moon. Is a large ball of rock that circles Earth one more time the moon. Is a large ball of rock that circles Earth. Excellent. Does it give off its own light? No. It reflects the light from the sun, excellent, to Earth as if it is a mirror. So the sun hits the moon and then the moon reflects the light to Earth. Clear? And you will see it in the video that preceded or that came before this one. Okay? So far so good? Yalla, let's read it one more time. Night always follows day. On many nights you can see the moon in the sky. The moon is a large ball of rock that circles Earth. The moon seems to shine, but the moon does not give off its own light. The moon reflects light from the sun. So is the moon actually, when we see it from Earth, is it giving off its own light? It seems to shine. It means it appears to shine. But is it really shining? No. What's happening? Excellent. The moon is reflecting the light from the sun to Earth. That's why we could see it. Okay? Now they told us, write a fact about the moon. Write a fact about the moon. We said that the fact is a true information about something. So what is the fact in this paragraph about the moon? Excellent! The moon is a large ball of rock that circles Earth one more time. The moon is a large ball of rock that circles Earth one more time. The moon is a large ball of rock that circles Earth. Excellent. Are we ready? Great. Now, you guys may stop the video and copy it neatly and properly on the lines. Okay? And once you're done, you continue with the video. Clear? We're open to page 287. What can we see in these two pictures? Excellent. So we could see that it is nighttime and people in the first picture are observing the sky. What do you think they are using to see the things in the sky? Excellent. They're using the telescope. The telescope, which is a tool that the engineers created so we could see things better in the sky in a bigger size. Okay? Clear so far? So far so good? And in the second picture, excellent, you could see the stars in the sky. So let's check out. On a clear night, you can see many stars. Stars are balls of hot gases. These gases give off light. This light is what you see from Earth. Stars look tiny because they are far away. A telescope can help you see them better. It makes objects look bigger. So, I'm gonna what? Excellent, read it and I'm gonna explain. On a clear night, you can see many stars. Stars are balls of hot gases. These gases give off light. This light is what you see from Earth. Stars look tiny because they are far away. A telescope can help you see them better. It makes objects look bigger. Clear so far? They said underline the sentence that tells why you can see the stars. Before we reach this part, let's explain this paragraph. So they're telling us that on a clear night, when the sky is clear and there's no rain at night, we could see many stars. What are stars? They're telling us that stars are balls of hot gases. Stars are balls of hot gases, and these gases give off light. That's why we could see the stars. The light is what you see from Earth. So they're telling us that the stars are balls of hot gases that give off their own light. And this light is what we see from Earth. Now the stars look really tiny up in the sky, okay, because they are really far away. So we could use a telescope, which is a tool that the engineers created to help us see things bigger that are in the sky, okay. We could use a telescope to see them better because it makes objects look bigger. Clear? So one more time. On a clear night, we could see many stars. The stars are balls of hot gases that give off their own light. And this light is what we see from Earth. Now the stars look tiny because they are really far away. So we could use a telescope that helps us see better because why? The telescope makes things look bigger. Clear? Now they said, underline the sentence that tells why you can see the stars. Let's read the paragraph one more time to check where. On a clear night, you can see many stars. Stars are balls of hot gases. These gases give off light. This light is what you see from Earth. Stars look tiny because they are far away. A telescope can help you see them better. It makes objects look bigger. What do you guys think? Excellent! It is these gases give off light. Why we can see these stars? Because the stars are made of hot gases and these gases give off light. That's why we could see them. This light is what you see from Earth. Clear? Great. That's all. Thank you.